This Oster blender and food processor features 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for common blender creations like smoothies and shakes, plus pulse for precise blending control. Features an 8-cup, BPA-free Tritan plastic dishwasher-safe jar. Tritan plastic is known for its clarity, durability, safety, and style. Extra wide 3.5 jar allows ingredients to reach the blade easier for faster and smoother results. Includes a 5-cup food processor with slicing and shredding blades. The food chopper makes salsa, guacamole, or your favorite dip with ease. Dual direction blade technology for extra blending power to chop and grind with precision, plus 1,200 power watts of ice crushing power. This Oster Kitchen Platform Blender and food processor offers power, simplicity, and versatility. One-touch controls eliminate guesswork, while 7 speeds give you plenty of blending options. The blade system with dual direction technology blends with ease, and the 8-cup, BPA-free Tritan jar is durable, easy care, and extra wide, so ingredients can easily reach the blade for a thorough blend. Use the included food chopper to make salsas, chop veggies, and much more. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent blender for the price with a bonus food processor. I have had other Oster blenders and have been happy with them. I was looking into an all-in-one system that included a food processor for basic slicing/dicing and shredding duties to save room and consolidate appliances. Some of the more expensive brands were too tall to fit under my kitchen cabinets while setting on the counter unless I stored the jar off the base. I came across this one with a full-function 5-cup food processor and decided to get it. I got the one with the Tritan plastic jar and love it. It's wider than the glass jar and larger. Plus this one has a nice matte finish dark gray color. This does a great job blending. I have made some great smoothies with frozen fruit, green and whole vegetables and fruit, and it pulverizes them. It has some auto settings which work great by alternating the blade direction to help disperse the food. Except when I tried to make banana ice cream with frozen bananas and no liquid, I have not had to open the lid to push the food down. It also has 3 manual speeds and pulse. The high speed is very loud, but it is a blender and you're not using it for long periods of time, so it's to be expected. I have used the food processor several times. Slices and chops very well. Much easier to clean than the larger food processors with all the parts. I'll be more inclined to use this more often. All the food processor blades and discs can store right in the processor jar with the lid on. This is 1/3 or 1/4 the cost of the more expensive brands and does a great job. Plus it fits neatly on my counter under the kitchen cabinets, so it's always ready to go.